The Hinyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito yesterday met Deputy Chief Minister in charge Transport Snehophalang Dhar seeking his intervention in issues surrounding fines and taxation for private and commercial vehicles. The NGO said that unlike other states like Assam, Meghalaya has yet to establish its own motor vehicles rules. They said that the current exorbitant fines and taxes burden commercial vehicle owners, leaving them with only a fraction of their income. They urged the state government to consider the Assam Motor Vehicle Rules 2003 as a model for drafting similar laws in Meghalaya.
Specifically mentioned chapter 4, 5, 8, 7, 8, but 9 juga Assam Motor Vehicle Rules arajan lain. Hang ni how berbeda ban guide ni ban kebelit bahaya dengan fine and taxes. Te mantaru ni langsung jadi ban pembengkang dari salan sistem ban siu ya kata fine.
Welcome Stone Shut Up, a youth from Meghalaya is